What we're doing next week is similar triangles. We're going to start similar triangles on Tuesday. And the first thing that's going to be needed is how to do proportions. So we just have a little review of proportions today, okay? Whenever you have two fractions equal to each other, in order to solve it, you cross multiply, okay? You only cross multiply across an equal sign. A lot of people want to cross multiply when it's like a plus or something like that. You don't do that. So you have 18 equals 10p, and to leave the p alone, you just divide by 10 and you get 1.8 equals p. When we're doing this problem, the first thing you're going to do is put a parenthesis around this, because that is a sum. And when you cross multiply, you have 10 times v minus 4, and I always put the number in front of the parenthesis, equals 15, because 5 times 3 is 15. And the reason I forced the parenthesis is because this 10 belongs to everybody. You have to FOIL it in. So you have 10v when you distribute minus 40 equals 15. And 10v when you add 40 to both sides equals 55. And divide by 10 again. They like the 10s. V equals 5.5. So this one has x on both sides of the formula. And remember, whenever there's a sum, we're going to put those parentheses in, okay? And that would be 3 times x minus 10 equals 5x. Does anybody know? And then you distribute the 3 in, so you get 3x minus 30 equals 5x. And I would just move this 3x over to the other side. And we get negative 30 equals 2x. So x equals negative 15. The only thing to look for when you have a variable in the basement is to make sure that that negative 15 is not going to make any one of the denominators a 0, because you can't have 0 in the denominator. If it does, it's a no solution, okay?